What's up, everybody? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Auto. We're here at Cota. Sit tight, come on, buckle up, and let's go on the track. What's up, baby? Are you ready?
Ready.
I'm giving him a Father's Day gift on the track. Let's do this. Let's see you guys. After that, get a helmet. I'm just gonna do one lap with him, and after that, I want you to come with me. So get a helmet ready.
Right now we're gonna do a photo shoot with the old Lambos in a turn 13, I think. They're gonna let us know, so right now it's photo time.
What's happening?
Welcome to Imperial TV.
How you doing?
The black
All right, this thing is really, really hot. I think I'll post it too. I'm alive. Well, besides getting burned here at Cota, we're here to take some nice photos with everybody. It's pretty cool. It's like once in a lifetime thing, so it's pretty badass. It's pretty cool. Pablo drove the yours today, so that's pretty awesome. How was it?
Perfect.
I love it. It's nice.
Nice
Oh,
photo.
thank God they're shape now. So we're here in Cota, and it's an event that we're throwing out with Lamborghini Houston and V1 Motorsports and Pablo for Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to you too, buddy.
See, I was supposed to surprise him because he knows that I was going to Mexico, but the surprise didn't work.
No, you're surprised, man.
It did.
Surprised.
Carlos, thank you so much. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, guys. Thanks for coming out.
That's hard.
Thanks for everybody who joined. Make sure next time, don't miss out because you're going to miss in a good time. Especially if Pablo and Butch are involved. You'll
Oh
always
my
have
God.
It's always a good time. We never disappoint.
There's a lot of footage we're going to take off.
That's it, man.
We're not going to show it.
You're cutting it.
Should I buy a motorcycle?
You have one.
I want to buy another one. That's what I meant. I want to buy like maybe, I want to buy the fastest, the newest, the most badass. me a Lamborghini bike.
Hey guys, we're here at Cota. It's my first time riding it in this awesome track. We're having a blast. Favorite part of my track so far, I think, is the S parts. Everyone, I think, loves it, even though it's really hard. But yeah, this bad boy got a little crazy down there, so we're gonna take it out for another couple laps and let's see how it goes. Finish the day strong. This is the interior. It's a very short stick shift over there. This is where you turn it on, the process of everything. You have to put the wheel down here. And as you can see, it's super tight. Match only for me. It was good. I'm exhausted.
We were racing, so I guess I picked up a little pebble, like a little rock, bubble pebble. that went between the fan shroud and the fan blade itself, and it stopped, like it froze the fan. So I'm not sure if that actually messed up the fan or not, because it was stuck and the power was instant on it. So I'm trying to right now, like, maybe itch it, move it, see it will just kick in so I can go back on the track and then have a little butch time.